Hey there! Welcome to today's English lesson. You're listening to Talkie Talkie. Easy English and real talk. Let's chat about real life. Hey there! Welcome back to Talkie Talkie. It's great to have you here again. Today, I want to share something a little different, a small piece of my childhood, a funny story that still makes me smile. Are you ready? Let's go back many years ago. I was about 6 years old, a small kid with a big imagination. It was summer, the sun was shining, school was over, and it was the best time of the year. I lived in a quiet neighborhood. Small houses, big trees, lots of kids playing outside. One day, my friend Danny and we decided to do something important. We decided to open a lemonade stand. We didn't know anything about business, or money, or even real lemonade. But we were excited. We were ready to be rich before dinner. First problem, no real lemons. So, we used lemon-flavored powder. Just one packet, one tiny packet. To make more, we added a lot of water and a lot of sugar. The lemonade was, let's say, interesting. Very sweet, very strange. But we didn't care. We stood at the corner, big smiles, big dreams. Our sign said, "Lemonade, 5 cents." We shouted, "Fresh lemonade?" Only 5 cents. But nobody stopped. Not one car, not one neighbor, nothing. Finally, we gave up. We sat down, and we drank the lemonade ourselves. Oh my! It was terrible, way too sweet, warm, like sugar soup. We laughed and laughed until our stomachs hurt. And you know what? It was the best day ever. Oh, Tuss. Now when I think about it, I just smile. We didn't need success. We didn't need money. We just needed a silly idea. And each other. What about you? Do you have a funny memory from your childhood? Maybe a silly plan or a sweet mistake? Think about it. It's good to remember those happy, simple times. Thanks for joining me today on Talkie Talkie. Until next time, keep laughing, keep talking, and keep smiling. Let's review the words. Childhood means the time when you are a child. Memory means something you remember. Lemonade is a drink made with lemons. Powder means something dry and soft, like flour. Sugar is sweet white crystals we eat. Sweet means tasting like sugar. Neighbor means a person who lives near you. Mistake means doing something wrong. Laughter is the sound you make when you laugh. Thanks for listening to Talkie Talkie. I hope you enjoyed our little chat. If you liked it, come back for more real-life English. Spoken slow, spoken real. Like the episode, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new talk. See you next time.